Welcome back to ESMOTOR UK. Today guys, we have an action-packed video for all of you. Today we have MOLTONS car. We've finished the car now, just get some figures from it. Hopefully we're gonna get some mad numbers. ES1400, you know it's gonna be a sick one. Danny will be speaking about YASSERS car today. Finally got some updates on that car. ES850 with a built engine. It's gonna be sick. Stay tuned for more.
Welcome back again guys. To behind me, as you can see here, we've got Yassi's 991 Gen 1 on the ramp. I've put the engine in, so engine's all in. I've just got to do manifolds, turbos, got a bit of fabrication to do on the car. So I'm gonna get that done first, then I'm gonna box it all up, and then yeah, Monday next week we'll have it on the dyno and see what figures we can get out of this. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled because this is it's a bit different. This is our ES800 plus, but I'll tell you the rest once we fitted it all.
Right guys, MOLTONS ES1400 is made a little bit more than 1400 wheel. So we are running GTX 3584 RS turbos on that, so they are a little bit bigger than what you've seen on Munrages and on the blue car, which run the newer G35900. So these are slightly older, however they are bigger turbos, so they make more power. And as you can see, it's made some crazy numbers. 1456 at the wheels and 1100 foot-pound of torque. That's 1700 crank horsepower, and that's not with a huge amount of boost either. So that was at 2.35 bar, so there's still a little bit more room to go on that. We did try and take it on the road the other day, but it's spinning like crazy. It's still on stock suspension. So yeah, Rebase will talk you through how that went for him when he took that out, but yeah, it was pretty mental. But next steps with that is that we're gonna get some suspension on it in future, get the coilovers done, set it up properly, and then we can really turn it up on the road and yeah, get another 8-second street car out there.
This guy's still recording. He needs to like give me some time, fix my hair, nothing. He just wants to record. Check out Boost. Look. Get the camera that way. He doesn't want to come in because he goes, I look too ugly as well. Look at him. But guys, anyway, MOLTONS car. Bloody hell, man. I actually took him out with me in the car because I needed to warm up the tires. Bro, that car is no joke. Like literally, it's no joke. Like it's insane. Like, look, I've driven a Mayor's car which is really fast. It's made a little bit less horsepower. Driven Munraj car, tested that as well, which again, it was 1400 plus wheel horsepower. I ain't got an idea what this machine is. So for 100, 200, I got 3.26. 200. Manual shifting in map 4, but as you can see on the peak G comes in like about 130 kilometers because from second gear it was just spinning too much, so I had to start from third gear. But once you're in third gear, by the time the boost kicks in and it kicks in, it's like you're doing 130 kilometers. So from 130 kilometers to 200, 3.26, which is amazing, man. And the damp conditions ain't helping. The weather in London is so crap. Hopefully once it's dry, in map 4 that's easily in the 2s, easily. Imagine coming down how I normally drag the cars. I think it'll be insane. It definitely needs springs because it was a bit all over the place. And Yeah, springs is probably one of the biggest things that it definitely needs. So Molten, get your springs, man, ASAP. But yeah, man, let's see what I can get. Hopefully 2.6, fingers crossed 2.70. Let's make it the fastest ESMOTOR 1400 that we've built so far. At the moment, Munrad's holding the record. Let's see if Molten can take over. Oh yeah, speaking about the weather, not on a boat, I came here on a boat. This guy, bro. Yeah, speaking about the weather, tomorrow, me, Amir, cameraman Shaz, we're all flying out to Dubai. Forget the damp. Hopefully I get to test some nice cars in the nice heat.
Shaz is going?
Yeah, Shaz is coming as well, bro. Shaz is loving it. So Shaz has been everywhere this year, bro. Turkey, where were you last week? Barcelona? He was in Munich. Literally, he's been everywhere. But Dubai, man, can't wait till I go there. Never been there before, first time. But what I'm definitely looking forward to is got a cheeky text message from Imre that there's 2 fast builds that they've been doing out there, and they need someone to test it. Nice weather, good tarmac, straight road. Mate, dream come true. What more can I ask for? And guess what? Who's driving? So yeah, can't wait till I go tomorrow. Shad is coming with us. Shad is definitely going to get all the angles as usual. But yeah, man, looking forward to tomorrow. On Friday, inshallah, we're in Dubai. So let's see what happens in Dubai for next week. The next week or the week after, whichever way Shad wants to play it.
Hardly hit myself talking, but yeah, we're at the GP Revival. Come to check it out for a bit. These cars are mad.